Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our scroll gestures series, okay, in this video we will see how to perform scroll backward, that is moves exactly one view. Okay, for this one we have to use method called scroll backward. Okay, and it is a default one without any parameters. Okay, if I mention scroll backward without any value, it performs a backward scroll with the default number of scroll steps, that is a 55. If I want to mention the number of steps, I had to use this method scroll backward, and I had to provide the values number of steps here to perform the backward scroll as per the number of steps. Okay, to demonstrate this one, okay, we'll do this functionality. Okay, automate this one. So you will open the API demos, click on views, and first I will go to the bottom of this one. Okay, then I will go backward. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the functionality we're going to automate. Okay, now I will open the Eclipse and create a class. Say scroll backward demo. Okay, so already I have created sample code for the setup and tear down methods. To save time, I just copy this one and paste it here, and I do necessary changes. I remove this unnecessary package here, and I need to change the class name. Okay, so my tear down and setup methods are ready. So I am using the basic capabilities, that is a platform name, automation name, and device name. Okay, so I will create a method here, public void, I say test1, and I add the annotation here, test annotation, test here. Okay, first of all I need to open the app, so I use driver dot activate app. This method use activate app, and I need to provide the package name. The package name of API demos is this one, or I copied it here. I'll copy this one and I'll paste it here. Okay, so I have opened the app here. So I need to click on the views, driver dot find element APM by dot accessibility ID, and I have to give views value here. Okay, then I need to click. So after clicking, I need to scroll to the bottom, right, so that I can go scroll back. So after opening this app, I need to click, then I need to go to the end of the scroll so that I can scroll backward. Okay, so I already have the code for scrolling to end, so I copy this one. So already I made a video on this one, how to scroll to end. Okay, so please I mention this link on the iCards. Please watch the video to understand how to scroll to end. So I mentioned this one, so it will go back to the end. Now I want to scroll backward, so I need to write the code, driver dot find element APM by dot UI automator and UI automator 2, and I have to write this code. So I'll come back to my Eclipse now. I have to open the quotation, new UI scrollable brackets new UI selector brackets dot scrollable true. Okay, and now I had to mention, okay, dot scroll backward. And I am using the scroll backward default so that it scroll 55 steps. Okay, this is the one I have used it here. Okay, so come back to my clips. Just I check the code here. Yes, right. Now I run this code and I give a dead dot sleep so that we can see the run here, so that you can stop to the end. 3 seconds. And you had to mention the semicolon and add the throws to the method here. Now I run this code. I close this app. Okay, I go to run this code here. So it has to open the API demos, click on views, and it has to scroll to the end. Then it has to scroll backward. So one view it is scroll. So it went to, okay. Now it has to scroll backward. So one view. Okay, because I have used the default one. Now once again I run this one with the number of steps I say as 100. Okay, now I am using this method with the value. Okay, previously we have seen this default method 55 steps. Now I am providing the number of steps here. Okay, once again I run this code. I'll close this app. Now I run this code. No, emulator here. It has to open the API demos app. Click on views and scroll to the end here. Then it has to scroll back. Now I mentioned the steps as 100. So compared to previous, it has to scroll more. Okay. So if you want to increase the steps here, you can increase it. Okay. So this is the use of scroll backward. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. So keep learning and happy learning. Bye. Thank you.